Lokalise AI is a fully automated localization assistant built on OpenAI's ChatGPT API. It enables teams to deliver accurate translations instantly while reducing costs and without compromising quality. In this video, you'll learn how to get started with this feature. Please note that this feature is still in private beta, so please check our documentation to learn how to enroll. To get started with Lokalise AI, open your project editor and click on any target translation. In the right side panel, you'll see the Lokalise AI section. Click Translate with AI to get started. After the button is clicked, artificial intelligence will generate a translation for you. If the generated translation suits you, simply click on it to insert it into the editor. Then you can simply save it as usual. If the generated text does not look suitable, you can ask the AI assistant to rephrase it. To achieve that, click the Rephrase button. The assistant will rephrase the existing translation. You'll be presented with 4 buttons. Approve. Use the rephrased translation instead of the initial one. Then you'll be able to click on the saved translation to insert it into the editor. Try again. Ask the assistant to produce another version. Cancel. Discard the rephrased translation. Report a problem. Let us know that something is not working as expected. If you have a strict character limit, you can ask the AI assistant to shorten the translation by clicking Shorten. The AI will shorten the existing translation. Then, you'll be presented with 4 buttons to approve the translation, to try again, discard the shortened translation, or report a problem. If you'd like to view multiple translation options to choose from, simply click Suggest Variants. The AI assistant will generate a few additional variants for you. Choose the variant that suits you by clicking Approve, or discard all the newly generated translations by clicking Cancel All. In many cases, context is very important for producing an accurate translation. To give the AI assistant additional context, click the Add Context button. You'll be presented with the following dialogue. Here you explain where and how the translation will appear in your content, what is the desired tone, what's your industry, and what's the approximate length. Once you're ready, click Translate. The AI assistant will generate a new translation variant. You can either approve it and use it instead of the initial translation, or discard it by clicking the Cancel button. And this is it. We really hope the new AI assistant will simplify your life as a translator. Please let us know what you think about this new feature.